loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is NIOBY Monroe for those of you who are new, and for all of my returning girlies. Hey girls, how are you guys? I missed you guys so much, and apparently so did Chiquita. She literally just hopped up here when I started talking to you guys. Isn't she the cutest? So today I will be showing you guys how I personally dermaplan my face. So a little bit about dermaplaning. Dermaplaning is done typically in office by an esthetician, and I had been getting them done on a monthly basis, and it's when they literally scrape the top layer of your skin off and the vellus hairs also fall off with it. I really enjoyed getting the treatment done because my skin would just feel fresh and like smooth, and I'm someone who does wear a lot of makeup just because of my career choices. So it was almost like a renewal. It was like a fresh slate. On top of that, girl, I am half Latina, and if all my Latinas are watching, then you know how hairy we can get, and I'm sure there are other girls who get equally as hairy. So I fell in love with dermaplaning, and after some time I was like, you know what, like I'm paying over $100, about $130 to get this done every month. Like, why don't I teach myself how to do this? So I went down a rabbit hole and I was just educating myself on like the techniques, on the tools, the serums and things you should and shouldn't apply to your face. Mind you, I do have acne prone skin, so I like to be very careful with what I put on my face. I don't want to break out. I don't want a rash. I have finally found a routine that works amazing for acne prone skin, sensitive skin, and I'm here to teach you all what I have learned in my personal tutorial on how to dermaplan your face at home. On a budget. Literally, I think in total, like I spent maybe like $25 for the tools that I needed, and like the tools that I got will last me a couple of months, about 6 months. Let's hop into this dermaplaning routine, the tutorial. Everything that you see will be listed down below. Make sure you subscribe to the family, like the video, and comment down below if you have any questions. I am also on Instagram at NIOBY Monroe, so make sure you follow me on there. So as we prepare to dermaplan our faces at home, I did want to just inform you guys on dermaplaning and why I personally dermaplan, the skincare benefits and long-term results. So for those of you who do not know, dermaplaning is a gentle exfoliation treatment that involves using a sterile surgical grade blade to remove dead skin cells and fine vellus hair, aka peach fuzz, from the surface of your skin. It's a quick, non-invasive treatment that can deliver immediate and long-term skincare benefits. So doing it at home, I do prep my skin by doing a deep cleaning treatment with a face wash. I recommend using Dew to the People, and I go ahead and strip my skin of everything on the surface, then apply just the pure aloe. I literally grab aloe from my local grocery store and I split it open and I just rub all the aloe on my face. So as you can see, it's giving this dewy glow to it. Then I go ahead and I use a blade. I am using the Chic Hydro Silk Dermaplaning Wand. I actually got this online on Amazon, so I will leave a link down below. Love these because you actually can buy a pack of 6, and I think it ran me like $23 to $25. I do go in and make sure the blade is clean. Although they are already brand new, I go in with some rubbing alcohol and I clean the blade. And this is the most satisfying part about this, is just watching all that peach fuzz come off my face. Oh my god, like holy moly, do you guys see all this hair coming off of my cheeks? Wow. So when you are using your dermaplaning tool, you will need to do this at a 45-degree angle. That way you're not cutting yourself, and make sure you're not applying too much pressure on the blade because you want to make sure that you are not going to cut your skin. What I really love about dermaplaning is that it instantly creates smoother skin. So dermaplaning leaves your skin feeling baby soft and ultra smooth. By removing the top layer of your dead skin, it gives your face a fresh, silky texture, and that makes applying skincare and even makeup a lot easier and more flawless. Do you see how much hair came off from that little bit of my cheek? That's insane. I like to go in and I like to apply aloe just so that the area is soothed, and I do go back in and just just get the areas I feel like need a touch up. Again, be very careful because your skin is very fragile and sensitive and we do not want to irritate it. Now, if you all follow me on TikTok, then you know that I am a huge skincare girly. And the reason why I love to dermaplan is because it's better for your skincare absorption. With the barrier of dead skin cells and peach fuzz removed, your serums, your moisturizers, and even treatments can penetrate deeper and work more effectively. So this means your products aren't just sitting on the surface, they're actually doing their job. I see a big difference in my skin after I dermaplan because one, not only does my skin look a lot brighter, but I also feel like all the treatments that I use on my skin really come into effect when all the peach fuzz is off because everything's just going straight into my skin. There's no barrier and it's just giving fresh and youthful face. So a reason why I absolutely love dermaplaning so much is, as I mentioned, you make your face more brighter and you have a more radiant complexion, and just overall dermaplaning helps reveal a more even and glowing skin tone by just shaving off the dull and dry surface layer. And this makes it especially helpful for people who are dealing with hyperpigmentation or uneven texture, because now your products are just getting straight to the point and dealing with the issue. I absolutely love it. Look at how much hair came off on this round. Jesus Christ, guys. Look at how much of a difference in my skin this is making already. This is the best part about dermaplaning, that you instantly see your results. Okay, so another reason why I love to dermaplan and why I feel like if you are a girly like me who loves makeup, why you would love to dermaplan is because it creates a flawless makeup base. Literally, the makeup glides on like silk after dermaplaning without the tiny facial hairs, the dead skin texture, and the foundation looks more seamless and it gives this natural and radiant look. So no more cakeiness or patchy blending. And voila, look at how beautiful my skin looks. I do like to go in with the gentle cleanser again just to clean up my skin and any leftover like peach fuzz I may have left, and I just like to give my skin that deep clean that it needs after a treatment. I do have acne prone and sensitive skin, and based off my research and based off of my personal experience with dermaplaning in office and at home, it's pretty safe for most skin types, unlike a lot of other harsher exfoliating treatments. I do recommend, doing your research and maybe visiting a dermatologist / esthetician before you dermaplan your own face, just so that you get the experience first and you understand what is going on and what to expect versus doing it at home for the first time and not knowing what to expect or even how to maintain or handle any breakouts that may come. You will learn a lot from seeing a professional, so I always recommend visiting a professional before doing things at home. I have experience getting my dermaplaning done multiple times, so I know what to expect. So after you are done your treatment, you do want to go in and make sure that you apply hydrating products because your skin, just got a layer shaved off. Go in and add hydrating products just to maintain your skin's barrier and keep it nice, glowing, and healthy. As you can see, my skin looks so good. There might be a little bit of redness, but the redness will go away. And I did actually nick myself, which happens, but it's just a part of the process. If you dermaplan, you're bound to nick yourself. It's all about just being careful and not applying as much pressure on the blade. By the way, I got immediate results, as you can see, and I actually got a lot of people complimenting on my skin, mentioning how much brighter it has gotten overnight. So this is definitely a treatment I highly recommend for all my girlies who are struggling with hyperpigmentation, uneven texture, or just want that flawless makeup base. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I absolutely fell in love with filming it, and I love how my face looks after. Like, oh my god, like this is a now fresh face. Literally, I have makeup on, but like the way the makeup is sitting, the way my skin is feeling, I literally got so many compliments today, like, oh, like your skin looks good, like you look brighter, X, Y, and Z. Girl, that's because I got all that vellus hair and dead skin off my face. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment down below if you have any questions and if there are other things you want to see from me next. We will talk to you very soon. Bye.